Now here in a very festive looking skirt, Abbie with the weather.
I may have peaked too soon.
No, you haven't. It's fabulous.
Never mind. Thank you very much. Right, the forecast not so fabulous, so hopefully the skirt is making up for it for this afternoon. It is staying very cloudy. We're going to continue to see outbreaks of showery rain moving through, and it will turn quite breezy. It's already been fairly breezy, but I think our winds will pick up, particularly along North Sea coast as we head towards the evening. So showers or showery rain moving through, temperatures around 7 or 8 degrees Celsius, I think, but dropping ever so slightly as we head towards the end of the day, so it might feel a little bit cooler out and about this afternoon. Overnight tonight, a few showers will continue initially, but it will turn largely dry and clear, and that will allow for our temperatures to drop a little bit lower. So it's going to be a cold and frosty start to the day tomorrow, with our temperatures down as low as -2 degrees Celsius. So it looks as though it'll be a frosty start to the day tomorrow, potentially a little bit foggy. We could see 1 or 2 showers just clipping the coast first thing, but once they ease, it looks largely dry and bright, with plenty of sunshine, just turning increasingly cloudy from the west as we head towards the end of the day. And that's ahead of some rain that we're going to start to see overnight into Wednesday. These will be our temperatures for tomorrow, though, 3 to 5 degrees, so a much cooler feel. So that rain will move in overnight into Wednesday, and generally the second half of the week is looking very unsettled. We'll see low pressure systems moving through, so turning wet and windy. I think if you do have outdoor plans Thursday and Friday, it may well be worth just keeping an eye on the forecast as we head towards the end of the week. Wednesday itself looking mostly dry with some sunshine, but heavy rain moves in again overnight into Thursday, where it will feel milder.
Yeah, that'll be our car park tomorrow, because we're in for a cold snap again, aren't we?
I look forward to seeing you skating into work then, Carol.
Yeah, maybe not.
Yeah, maybe not. Shall we have a quick look at some of the weather photos that have been sent in over the last 24 hours or so? A rather gloomy picture. It's been a little bit uninspiring, hasn't it, today? A lot of cloud, but the cloud has broken in 1 or 2 places, particularly in the northeast. Thank you to Ledo for sending this photo in from the northeast. And then cloudy conditions in the northwest, but thankfully I think most places will see more sunshine over the next couple of days. If you would like to keep your weather pictures sending in to us here at the BBC, we, as always, would love to see them. So the forecast for the next few days, thankfully, is a drier one. There will be more sunshine in the forecast, but yes, it will feel much colder. Our temperatures have been gradually dropping off today. It was a mild weekend, wasn't it? But the air mass is really up and down over the next few days. We do drop into the blues for a brief time through Tuesday and through Wednesday, and then the end of the week turns much milder again, with those temperatures back into the low teens. But then the weekend, we're moving back into those blues. So a colder weekend on the way, but I think it's as the milder air meets that colder air that we could start to see something a little bit more wintry in terms of snow overnight into Saturday. We'll keep an eye on things, but overnight tonight it is largely dry, just a risk of a couple of showers clipping the immediate coastline, but under the clearer skies our temperatures will be dropping a little bit lower, so -1, -2 degrees Celsius, certainly cold enough for a frost the first thing tomorrow morning. So a dry start for most, just the risk of a couple of coastal showers. Any early mist and fog will lift. We'll be left with a mostly dry day, lots of sunshine, but gradually turning a little bit cloudier from the west as we head towards the end of the day. We will start to see some rain arriving to western parts as well. That will continue overnight into Wednesday. But these will be our top temperatures for tomorrow. A much cooler feeling day, 4 or 5 degrees Celsius. And then our weather will turn a little bit more unsettled overnight into Wednesday. We'll see a band of rain that could fall as some sleet or snow over the very tops of the hills. That will clear. Wednesday looks dry, but more rain moving in overnight into Thursday. And then Thursday and Friday sees Atlantic low pressure systems moving through. So wet and windy at times. This little feature on Friday night into Saturday could cause a few issues as it bumps into the colder air. We may well see it falling as snow for a time. So the potential for something a little bit more wintry as we head towards the end of the week and the weekend. But the next couple of days, at least, are looking mostly dry. There'll be some sunshine. Our temperatures around 4 or 5 degrees Celsius, milder as we head towards the end of the week, but much more unsettled.
Oh dear, thank you, Abbie. I must say, Paul Mooney doesn't have a skirt anywhere near as fabulous as that, does he? He's going to have to raise his game.
Well, if he does, he's hiding it somewhere.
Maybe. That's it from us this evening. Jerry Jackson has your late news. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I'll leave it for him, shall I? Hello again, good evening. Tomorrow's going to be a mostly dry and settled day, plenty of sunshine, but it's going to get off to quite a cold and frosty start. All change though by the end of the week, where things will be milder and much more unsettled. Overnight tonight it will be mostly dry and clear, just the risk of a few showers drifting in off the North Sea. Temperatures dropping overnight to around freezing point or lower than that in 2 rural spots. So it will be a cold and frosty start to the day tomorrow. A dry day though, plenty of sunshine, any early mist and fog will lift, so plenty of sunshine developing as we head through the middle part of the day. But into the early part of the afternoon and as we head towards the evening, things will turn cloudier in the northwest. We are going to see some rain pushing in overnight into Wednesday, but these will be our top temperatures. A much cooler feel to things for tomorrow with highs of 5 or 6 degrees. Some rain and hill snow overnight into Wednesday, not too much. That should have cleared most places, leaving another dry, albeit chilly day.